Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to activate daytime running lights for Europe if you don't have auto on your switch lights button. As you can see, the cable is connected and to the laptop. I will switch on the ignition. Now I will check if the connections are good. Cable was detected, ignition was on. Open NCS Expert, File, Load Profile, Reverters, Start, Chassis, A89. Okay. The vehicle order was read. Back. Process issue. FRM module, since this module is used for lights. Okay. Change job to read the data from the module. Code here dot and listen. Okay. Execute job. Let's wait until the job is finished. Job was done. And now let's start NCS dummy. I have already here A89, which is including also my car, A19. Browse the DRC file, open, filter module by trace file, filter, the module type was identified. I will search for this world. It's very hard to pronounce it since it's in German, I think, but I will put it also in the description of the video. Find. Here you can see we have a description, daytime running lights. I will choose to be activated, and we need also to write this option to be memorized in the key. Here, memory for Europe daytime running lights, for the key, enabled for the default card key, and I will choose also for unpersonalized card key to be enabled this option. These three are all on my car. Export that man file. The file was exported. Let's go in and says expert. Let's change the job in SJ Codiren to write the data in the module with this change, and now execute the job. Let's wait until the job is finished. This will take a while. The job was finished. Now, to check if the daytime running lights were activated, I will switch on the lights. As you can see, my cluster lights are off and the lights are off. Now I will insert the key. When the key was inserted, the cluster lights were switched on, and now if I will switch on the ignition, we can see that the lights are on. Now switch off the ignition. I will remove the key, and now you don't need to switch off the lights. The lights will be closed automatically when you will open the door. Thanks for watching. I hope this will help you.